Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet.
So where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I don't have any brothers or sisters.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Migla.
How old are your grandparents?
I don't know.
What time do you get up?
I don't know that either.
So you can say that I get up. Tell
I get up
at
3,
at 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
So when is your birthday?
My birthday is in January.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yep. Yes, I have a bicycle.
So what's the color of your bicycle?
My bicycle's color is pink.
Do you ride your bicycle every day?
No, I ride my bicycle sometime when my father comes from work.
Yes. Does your father have a car?
No, my father doesn't have a car.
Does your mother have long hair?
No, yes, my mother has long hair.
What's the best restaurant in town?
The best restaurant in the town is Boo World.
Are you hungry right now?
No, I'm not hungry.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food or fruit?
Food.
My favorite food is pasta.
Okay. What time do you usually have dinner?
I don't know, 6 p.m.
Now you can say that I take my
Dinner?
I take my dinner
No, I take my dinner
at 10 a.m. 10 p.m.
10 a.m.
10 p.m.
10 p.m.
p.m. Does the sun shine at night?
No, the sun doesn't shine at night. The moon shines at night.
How many students are there in class?
100 students in the class. 100.
Is there a cinema near here?
No, there is not.
There is no cinema
There is no cinema
near here.
near here.
Are you tired now?
No, I'm not tired yet.
It's
Good,
yes, it's okay, no problem.